हेलो दोस्तों, आप एसिड और बेस के बारे में तो जानते ही होंगे। जैसे एसिड्स है आपके टोमेटो सॉस में, पिकल्स में, एप्पल्स, ऑरेंजेस, all these are having acids. Today I am going to show you the reaction of acids with zinc metal, sodium bicarbonate and litmus paper. Now you see it practically in science lab.
Blast the block. Enemy and friend is not an option. We all listen now we go dance and start. Sing Salavina
You know that litmus paper are two types, blue litmus and red litmus. So first I see the reaction of acid with blue litmus and red litmus. This is blue litmus paper and this is red litmus paper. So I see the reaction of acids with blue and red litmus. This is acid here with blue litmus. Blue litmus, you see this blue turn into red. Blue litmus turned it into red. Now reaction of acid with red litmus paper. When I drop acid on red litmus paper, then no change in color. It was red and now also it is red. So with red litmus there is no reaction, but with blue litmus, blue turn red. This was the reaction with litmus paper. Now I see the reaction of acid with zinc metal. This is zinc metal. I take a piece of zinc metal, piece of zinc metal in a test tube, and I add 5 to 10 ml acid. I have taken hydrochloric acid. Then what happens? You see in test tube, you see it carefully. These bubbles are coming. These bubbles are of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas evolves when zinc reacts with acid. The sure test of hydrogen gas is when we bring burning matchstick, then the gas will burn. Hydrogen gas will burn with pop sound. Matchstick will put off because hydrogen burns itself. Hydrogen is not helping in burning. Now I show you the reaction of acid with sodium bicarbonate. I take sodium bicarbonate in a test tube. This is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate in a test tube. Then add 5 to 10 ml hydrochloric acid or any acid. Then you see the gas comes out with brisk effervescence. This gas comes out with brisk effervescence. This is carbon dioxide gas. This is carbon dioxide gas comes with brisk effervescence. The sure test of carbon dioxide gas, when you pass through the lime water turns milky. So these were the reaction of acid with litmus paper. With litmus paper, blue turn red, and with red litmus no reaction. Then reaction with zinc metal, hydrogen gas evolves. Then reaction with sodium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide gas comes out with brisk effervescence. Thank you. Have a great day.